गुलाब फलारी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, जे कॉलेज आरा। आज के मेरे लेक्चर का टॉपिक्स है मेथड्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टिंग वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर, अर्थात वेटेड इंडेक्स नंबर को किस तरह से हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं। आज इसके बारे में हम आप लोग को बताएंगे। नाउ इन दिस appropriate weights are assigned to various commodities to reflect their relative importance in the group. And there are two methods of making weighted index number. Weighted index number को फाइंड करने के दो तरीके हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज weighted average of price relatives, and second one is weighted aggregative method. Now come to the weighted average of price relative. Following are the steps for calculating weighted average of price relatives. First, calculate the price relatives of the current year. We will have to find here price relative for the current year, denoted by R relatives, and the formula for finding R, P1 by PO into 100. Next step, calculate value of weights, that is P0 Q0, price of base year and quantity of base year, and assign it as W. W से इसको सूचित कर। Next, multiply calculated percentage for each items, that is price relatives, by their respective value weights, and the formula may be written in this form: P1 by PO into 100 into P0 Q0. Or in simple form we can write this one is R into W. R here is this one and W. Next step is obtain sigma RW, and after finding sigma RW, divide the total obtained by total values of weights to get index number, denoted by P01 equal to sigma RW by sigma W. Now suppose that these are the data given. Calculate the index number using weighted average of price relatives. Given commodities wheat, milk, rice, sugar. P0 price of base year in rupees 4.5, 6.0, 7.5, 12.0, and quantity consumed denoted by Q0 40, 30, 80, 20, and price for current year P1 denoted by P1 in rupees 4.5, 7.5, 9.0, 15.0. Now on the basis of these given example or data, we may calculate here weighted average of price relatives, calculation of weighted of index number using weighted average of price relatives, commodities in this column, plot this one, P0, Q0 and P1. Now we will have to multiply P0, Q0, multiply this. And after multiplication, we will have to find sigma W, that is this one 1200. Now we will have to find relatives, and formula is P1 by PO into 100. Given P0 and P1, this one, P1 equal to 4.5 divided by PO 4.5 into 100 equal to 100. And in similar way, we can calculate all these values. After finding relatives, we will have to multiply R and W to get this one. 180 into 100 equal to this one, and we will have to find sigma R W. Now after finding all these values, we can easily find weighted average of price relatives by using these formulas. Sigma R W by sigma W. Sigma given calculated sigma R W is this one, and sigma W 1200, we get this one. Very simple here. Now we will have to find here weighted aggregated index number by weighted aggregative method. Now weights are assigned to the various method. कई तरह के मेथड से weights दिए जाते हैं, and there are various methods of assigning weight, and consequently a large number of formula for constructing index numbers have given, among which important are last pairs formula, Paasche formula, Bowles formula, Fishers, Marshall and Edgeworth. Now suppose that example where calculate price index number of price, index number of price from the following data by applying number first last pair, Paasche, Bowles, Fishers, Marshall and Edgeworth method. These are the data given. Commodity share A, B, C, D. Price and quantity for base year, that is 2010, price 2542, quantity 8, 10, 14, 19. And for current year, that is 2011, price 4652, quantity 6, 5, 10, 13. Now on the basis of these given data, we can easily calculate last pair's index number, Paasche index number, Bowles index number, Fishers index number, Marshall and Edgeworth index number. Now plot this given data in a tabular form like this one. Base year, current year, P0, Q0, or current year P1, Q1. And multiply all this P1 into Q0, this one. To get total here is this one. P0 Q0, this one. To get sigma P0 Q1, Q0 this one. And P1 Q1, total this one, and P0 Q1 total this one. इसके पहले हम आपको लास्ट पेयर, पासे और फिशर के बारे में बता चुके हैं, लेकिन एक ही मेथड गिवन प्रॉब्लम्स में सारे फॉर्मूलाज को यूज करते हुए यहाँ पर कैलकुलेशन है, इसीलिए वह रिपीटेशन हो रहा है. नाउ वी नो दैट लास्ट पेयर फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग लास्ट पेयर मेथड इज सिग्मा P1 QO divided by sigma PO QO into 100. Now calculating sigma P1 Q0 is 200, sigma PO QO 160, and to get last pairs methods formula. Pasch's formula is sigma P1 QO divided by sigma PO Q1 into 100, and putting these values we get Pasch's index number. Bowley's method. Average of last pairs and Pasch. Formula for finding index number of Bowley's method is sigma P1 QO divided by sigma PO QO plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma PO Q1. This portion is last pairs and this portion is Pasch. Divided by 2 means average index number of last pairs and Pasch. After putting the values, we get this one. Or in simpler form, P01 equal to L plus P divided by 2. L which here is last pairs plus P Pasch. Last pairs index number is 125 plus Pasch's index number is 126.221 divided by 2. We get here the same result. Now Fisher's formula for finding index number is root under N into P in a simple form. And last pair formula is this one, Pasch's formula is this one into 100. Putting these values we get this one. We can easily find the same results by using this formula. Last pairs 125, Pasch's 126.21. We get the same result. Marshall and Edgeworth method. Very simple formula. Sigma Q0 plus Q1 divided by again sigma Q0 plus Q1 similarity है into P1 divided by P0. And when we simplify this one, we get this one sigma P1 QO plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1. And putting the calculated values, we get index number of Marshall and Edgeworth is this one. One more method is very important. Cayley's method. And the Cayley formula for calculating index number by using Cayley's formula is sigma P1Q, not Q0 or Q1. Remember here, sigma P1Q divided by sigma POQ into 100, where Q equal to average quantity of both Q0 plus Q1 divided by 2. Average. In Cayley's formula, the average of the quantities of 2 years is used as weight In these examples, 2 years quantity is given, and we can easily find average Q0 plus Q1 divided by 2. The average of the quantities of the 3 or more years, remember, can be used as weights known as fixed weight aggregative index. Here the word fixed weight is used. तो इस गिवन प्रॉब्लम में भी हम इसको Q को फाइंड करके मल्टीप्लाई करके केलिस इंडेक्स नंबर वी कैन इजीली फाइंड केलिस इंडेक्स नंबर्स. That's all.